Okay, baby. Hi. It's the first day of summer break. Dad had summer school in the morning, but now I'm home in the afternoon early. And look who I get to come home to. Look who I get to come home to. Yeah. And I think the most happy person here is Mom, because she gets 2 months off, right? Yeah. And then where's Kitty's? There's Stewie. I don't like her. What do you think, baby? Do you like summertime?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like summertime. How about Lucy? Lucy! Lucy! What do you think of summertime? Not bad now, but when baby starts crawling, I'm not gonna be happy.
I'm gonna be scared.
What do you think of summertime, baby? What do you think? Natalie. 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 Natalie, look at your daddy. What do you think of summertime, huh? Is it fun? Stewie, what do you think? I'm confused. Natalie. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, look at my little feet go to. Natalie. Natalie. Hi. You're so fun, Dad.